Good afternoon, everyone. I will be reading a statement in response to President Trump's directive to federal agencies for World AIDS Day. Today is December the 1st. Today I speak to you as Linda H. Scruggs, the co-executive director of Ribbon, a center of excellence. I also speak as a Black woman who has lived with an HIV diagnosis for over 35 years. I have survived, mourned, and carried the stories of too many loved ones to stay silent today. President Trump's directive instructing federal agencies and programs not to use federal funds to observe World AIDS Day is not only dangerous, it is a profound moral failure. Its attempt to dismiss a global movement that no administration built and that no political order can silence. Why World AIDS Day exists? World AIDS Day was established in 1988 by the World Health Organization and UNAIDS to honor those who have died, to support those of us living with HIV, recognize the communities most affected, and to motivate global efforts to end this HIV epidemic. It was created because governments, including ours, did not respond with the urgency, compassion, justice, or accountability. It was created because the world needed a day to say, we remember, we fight, and we demand better. What no government can erase, no directive can erase the names of hundreds of people I have personally lost. No memo can erase the thousands of people I have met across this country and around the world who have survived despite stigma, despite neglect, and despite political denial. No government can order an erase of a global impact of HIV or the power of those living with it. We are still here. We are still fighting. We will continue to rise. We stand with this world. Ribbon stands in solidarity with the World Health Organization, UNAIDS, global networks of people living with HIV around this globe. Every organization, every advocate, every caregiver, every researcher, every clinician, every community worker, every peer, every person living with HIV, and every person lost to this disease. We commemorate not only the memory, but the resilience, the science, the research, the care, the prevention, our community, and the human dignity that we demand. We will not forget. We will not fail. We will not fall. We will be strong. We are living with HIV and AIDS. We will not be erased. A charge to our community, to everyone living with HIV, everyone impacted by HIV, everyone working in the field of HIV. Stand firm, speak boldly. Remember, this is our movement. It began with us, not with any government. World AIDS Day belongs to the people, to the fallen, to the survivors, to the caregivers, to the generations still fighting for equitable health and justice. Stand together on social media, post your pictures, record your statements so that they will know that we will not be erased, not even for one day. A charge to the president. No administration has the authority to erase what communities built through sacrifice and perseverance. In the United States government wishes to speak on HIV, then it must honor the millions of lives affected and invest in the programs that save lives. Fully restore and fund PEPFAR, which has saved over 25 million lives globally. Fully fund the Ryan White program in all of its parts, which has kept millions of lives alive in the United States. Fully fund CDC prevention programs, which have prevented countless of new infections globally of this epidemic. We will continue. Today, Ribbon proudly commemorates World AIDS Day with the world, not because the government told us to, but because our community demanded it, and our dead deserves it. We honor every person lost. We uplift every survivor today, and we fight for every future generation of this epidemic. This directive may silence some agencies, but it will not silence us. Speak up, be bold, post, flood, let them know. The simple truth: World AIDS Day was created out of the necessity, born out of our pain, sustained by our resilience, and carried forward by our collective determination. It is not yours to diminish, delay, or deny. It is ours. Until it's over, I am Dr. Linda H. Scruggs, the co-executive director of Excellence, Center of Excellence. Thank you.